Finding duplicates in Excel can be quite useful, especially when dealing with large datasets. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Select the data range. First, select the range of cells where you want to find duplicates. Go to the Conditional Formatting menu, click on the Home tab in the Excel ribbon, then locate the Conditional Formatting option in the toolbar. Choose Highlight Cells Rules. In the Conditional Formatting menu, choose Highlight Cells Rules. Select Duplicate Values. From the drop-down menu, select Duplicate Values. Set Formatting Options. A dialog box will appear. Here, you can choose how you want Excel to highlight the duplicate values. You can select a formatting style, such as font color or cell background color, to highlight the duplicates. Click OK. Once you've chosen your formatting options, click OK. Excel will then highlight all duplicate values within the selected range, according to the formatting you specified.
Review the highlighted cells. Now, review the cells that are highlighted. Excel will have identified and highlighted any duplicate values within your data range. Using conditional formatting is a quick and easy way to identify duplicates in Excel without altering your original data. You can use this method to quickly spot duplicate values in a data set, making it easier to manage and analyze your data effectively. Absolutely. Reviewing the highlighted cells is crucial after using conditional formatting to identify duplicates in Excel. Here's why. Accuracy. Check. While Excel's conditional formatting is generally reliable, it's always a good practice to manually review the highlighted cells to ensure that they indeed contain duplicate values. This helps to catch any potential errors or inconsistencies in the data. Contextual understanding. By reviewing the highlighted cells, you gain a better understanding of where the duplicates occur within your dataset. This contextual understanding can provide insights into the nature of the duplicates and their impact on your analysis. Verification of action. If you plan to take any further actions based on the identified duplicates, such as removing or consolidating them, reviewing the highlighted cells allows you to verify the accuracy of the duplicates before proceeding with any changes. Data integrity. Ensuring the integrity of your data is paramount. Reviewing the highlighted cells helps maintain data integrity by confirming that the identified duplicates are valid and align with your analysis goals. In summary, reviewing the highlighted cells after using conditional formatting to identify duplicates is an essential step in the data analysis process. It adds an extra layer of verification and ensures the accuracy and integrity of your analysis results.
Sure, let's do a hands-on example to find and highlight duplicates in Excel. 1. Open Excel. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. 2. Enter data. Enter some sample data in a column or row. For example, you could enter a list of names in column A. Take a look at the screen. We've got a massive data sheet open here, and as you can see, it's filled with rows upon rows of data. Just glancing at it, it's hard to tell how many records there are. With such a vast amount of information, finding duplicates manually would be incredibly time-consuming and challenging. That's why we're utilizing conditional formatting. It's a powerful tool that allows us to quickly and easily identify duplicated data records within this huge spreadsheet. Instead of painstakingly combing through each entry one by one, conditional formatting does the heavy lifting for us, instantly highlighting any duplicates it finds. It's a real time saver when dealing with data sets of this size. Select Data Range. Click and drag to select the range of cells that you want to check for duplicates. Conditional Formatting. Go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Highlight Cells Rules. Click on Conditional Formatting in the toolbar, then select Highlight Cells Rules from the drop-down menu.
Select Duplicate Values. Click on the drop-down menu. Now let's go through each option one by one. The Custom Format option is quite versatile. It lets users tailor their formatting preferences to suit their needs. When you select it, a dialog box pops up, presenting several tabs. The Number tab is where you can tweak the formatting for numbers. Next up is the Font tab, which allows you to customize the font style and size. Then, there's the Border tab for adjusting border styles and thickness. Moving on to the Fill tab, here you can play around with background colors, fill effects, and even more advanced options like pattern colors and styles. Finally, You'll find the OK and Cancel buttons at the bottom of the dialog box, which you can use to confirm or discard your formatting changes. This level of customization makes the custom format feature a powerful tool for tailoring your Excel sheets to your exact specifications.
Once you've chosen your formatting options, click OK. Now, Excel will highlight any duplicate values within the selected range according to the formatting you specified. 9. Review highlighted cells. Take a look at the cells that are highlighted. These are the duplicate values that Excel has identified. That's it. You've successfully used conditional formatting to find and highlight duplicates in Excel. Now, you can review the highlighted cells to gain insights into your data.
Let's dive into some additional examples of conditional formatting. Take a moment to observe and practice on your own. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to type them in the comment section below. But before that, make sure you've had a chance to go through all the examples. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and leaving your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. By subscribing, you'll be the first to receive notifications about our latest videos.
Looking forward to seeing you in the next video with a fresh topic. Take care and Allah Hafiz.